Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to build an investment broker website. So I've already purchased my domain and hosting. So to get started, this is my dashboard. First, you have to purchase a domain and hosting account from HostIke. So after getting everything from HostIke, so this is how everything will look like. So first of all, let's log into our cPanel. So go to our cPanel. All right, after you purchase your hosting and domain, this is how your cPanel would look like. So just get rid of this mark and save and continue. You escape. All right, so this is how your cPanel will look like. You already know. So first thing first, before you proceed about uploading your files and creating database, so you have to check if your SSL certificate status is actually activated. So you have to search for SSL, then you go to SSL TLS status. Okay, you can see everything is intact, but if you come into this page and you see everything turns red, you have to select this checkbox here to select everything. Then you tap run auto SSL. So since it's already done, so we have to search for domain, so it will be redirected. So let's search for domains. You go to your domains, so you have to redirect it. See, first HTTPS redirect, you turn it on. So it's done. So this is now our website is SSL secure. So let's now go to our file manager and upload our file. So you search for file manager here. Okay, sorry, I think it went back. So you just look for file manager here and tap on file manager. So this is our file manager. You go to public_HTML. Okay, so something else we need to do is before uploading our files, we need to show hidden files. So we'll go to the settings right here. We click on settings, click on show hidden files. This is it. Then save. Now you can see this one was hidden. Then you have to delete this. We don't need this. So just delete. You skip, delete. Then now we have to upload our file, but in my case here I'll be uploading our file on a folder, for some reasons. So I'm creating a new folder here. You can upload it on the direct public_HTML, but I'm using mine on a folder on the public_HTML. So what we'll name it is let's name it en. The folder, let's name it en. So we create a folder. So inside this folder we'll be uploading our file. You can upload it here, but I just prefer to upload it on this folder that we just created. So we click on upload. Okay, all right, let's upload our files. I'll prefer just drag and drop from here. This is our file right here, so I just drop it in. So it's uploading now and we have to wait. So I'll be posting this video, then once it's done uploading, I will continue from where we stop. Okay, just few seconds or minutes. I'll be right back. It's done. As you can see, it must turn green before you leave this page. I was having a network issue. So all right, it's done. You can see 100% and it's green. So you have to close this page here. Then you click on reload. That's this. Yeah, so you reload. Now you can see it's uploaded in our en folder. So you have to right click here. You right click, extract. Then you click on the extract files button. So you extract. All right. All right, so it's done. You have to reload. Click on reload. Then you can see our file is here. Then you have to delete this. We don't need this. So delete. You can just move it to trash. All right, so it's done. All right, it's done. So now we have to go to back to our cPanel and search for database. Then we'll go to manage my databases. All right, so now we have to create a new database. Okay, we'll create a new database and just give it a random name. I like using a random name that nobody can use ever. So you copy this name first, click on create database. You go back. Okay, all right. So you go back and come down to database users. So paste same name. You can use a different name and save it on your note. I like using same name. Then you put in a secure password. Repeat same password. Then tap on create user. So now you have to copy the full database username you just created and go back. Then come down to add user to database. Now you have to click. Okay, everything is intact. Click on add. So click on all privileges, check it, then you tap on make changes. So now it has been created. So we have to go to our PHP my admin and PHP my admin. Search for PHP my admin. This is the database we just created. Then you tap on the database. You click on the database, then you come to import. First of all, click on database. If you're already on the database, you can see the URL here. So you click on import. You have to import our SQL file now. That is our database file. Okay. You click on choose file. This here it is. Then you upload this SQL file. This is it. Then you come straight down. Then click on import. Okay, it has been imported. So now we have to go back to our file manager now and connect the database to our website. So this is the .env file. You right click on it and you tap edit. So you edit that .env file. You replace the database inside and the database username here and the password. So it needs the URL of the website. So we have to put the URL of the website. I think the name of the website is that's the domain name inside this strowall.com/en. That's the part that the website is. So this is it, strowall.com/en. So this is, then we have to save here. Click on save. You save. So now let's visit our website. Okay, let's visit our website. strowall.com. wall.com/en. All right, so you can see our website is now live. You can see our website is live and working perfectly. So let's check. Okay, still loading. All right. Okay. All right, so our website is live. You can see all the plans. contact the team. So everything is working perfectly fine. You can see, we have some translator here. You can use a translator. Okay.